Right, so today is your final lesson on multiplication and hopefully your final lesson for remote learning. The learning objective is to use the column method to solve worded questions. So today predominantly we're only going to be focusing on worded questions. Things that you'll need for this lesson are a pen or a pencil and some paper. So in this worked example, it says in a full class there are 28 students. How many students are there in 6 full classes? So what we need to do is, by using the column method, we're going to do 28 multiplied by 6. So this would be 28 groups of 6. So now for the column method we need to do 6 times 8, which gives us 48. We're going to put the 8 down and carry the 4 across. Then we do 6 times 2, which gives us 12, but we need to add the 4 at the top, which gives us 16. So the final answer should be 168. Right, so what we're going to do is just a quick I do, you do exercise. The question I'm going to do is at the top right hand corner. So it says, Mr. and Mrs. Neil book a 10-day holiday in July. They have 3 children. Work out the total cost. So the first thing we're going to do is they're going in July, so we're going to cross out this little row here because we know that it's not going to be relevant to us. So we'll cross that out. Now we know that they're going for 10 days, and here it says price per day. So anything we work out needs to be multiplied by 10. So £26 times by 10, 0, 0, 6, 2, 260. Remember, when you multiply by 10, you're moving the decimal point one way towards the right. And we're going to do the same thing for the children's rates. So the £13 becomes 130. Or you can work it out using the column method, just like we did here. We did 0 times by 6, 0 times by 2, which gives us 0. And then we put the 0 down first, remember, because the 1 is in the tens column. And then we do 1 times 6 and 1 times 2. So for the duration of 10 days, this is going to be 260. And the child price is going to be 130. So now what we need to do is, we've got 2 adults, Mr. and Mrs. Neil. So we need to do 260 times by 2. 2 times 0 is 0. 2 times 6 is 12. Put the 2 down, carry the 1. 2 times 2 is 4. Add the 1, which is 520. Then we need to do the same for the children's price. So it's £130 for 10 days. And we need to multiply that by 3 because there's 3 children. Because there's 3 children. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. And 3 times 1 is 3. So we've got 390 plus 520. That will give us a total of £910. However, there's one part of this question that's still missing. This little bit here. It says there is a £15 booking charge for every holiday. So we need to add 15. So the total is going to be £925. Right, so now what I want you to do is pause the video for about a minute and attempt the question below. You don't have to worry about price per day, so that will make it much easier for you. Right, so the answer you should have got is £192. So we've got a rugby team brought 18 coaches of supporters to a cup match. Each coach holds 53 passengers. How many supporters are brought to the cup match by the 18 coaches? So what we need to do is just do 18 times 53. Very simple question. So 8 times 3, 8, 16, 24. So we put the 4 down, carry the 2. Three times 1 is 3, add the 2, which is 5. Put the 0 down because the 5 is in a tens column. 5 times 8 is 40. Put the 0 down, carry the 4. 5 times 1 is 5. Add the 4, 9. Answer is 954 people. Now if you can just pause the video and attempt the question below. The answer you should have got is 399 times. So now what I want you to do for your independent task is attempt both of these questions, take a picture, upload it onto ClassCharts, and if you can just attempt one of these green questions too.